GrowHabity bunny reviews legit or scam. GrowHabity bunny reviews legit or scam. If you're looking into GrowHabity bunny for supplements or health products, you might be wondering whether it's trustworthy. Most people get this wrong by assuming that social media hype equals credibility. The surprising truth is that GrowHabity bunny is largely legitimate, but it's important to be cautious and informed before buying. You won't believe what happens next. GrowHabity bunny offers products like dietary supplements, wellness teas, and lifestyle boosters. Their website is professional, payments are secure, and customer reviews often mention positive experiences with delivery and product packaging. However, some users report mixed results with the effectiveness of the products. While many people are satisfied, a few mention that certain supplements did not meet their expectations. As with any health-related product, results can vary depending on your body and lifestyle. Another point to consider is shipping time. Some international orders may take longer than advertised. In conclusion, GrowHabity bunny appears to be a legitimate company selling wellness products. While results may vary, the company itself is generally trustworthy. If you're curious, start with a smaller order to test the products and shipping process. Always follow the recommended guidelines and check customer reviews to make an informed decision before investing in larger quantities.